It's okay. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mama and papa, boy and girl, and everybody where they watch me for there right now. My name is Elenu, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and me is there with other comedians with their head not too correct. We come here every once in a week, in fact, weekend, to come talk news headline, news where you hear, where you pass, where you see, the one where you follow the do aproko. We they call you come talk and make it totori for everybody. This now I, the red, and always I did there with my guys there. First of all, the Pt.1 of Nigerian comedy. Now so I want to start on today. Lucky shine.
Oh boy, I don't go jump people as Ross in Jesus' name. Well, now maybe this I the red now we don't show so as I always say yanam honestly spoken. Sit and wash.
Okay, and also next seated to him. When I go wonder what they do like this today, I go tell you now when I do and finish. Is the book of Proverbs, chapter red eye, verse this Saturday. MC Shakara.
Yes, and I welcome.
That's all.
Thought is carry shinga, but hotota na see the bona.
So, I don't understand that one, I beg.
Thought is carry skin guide, but also see the bonnet.
This
is your proverb. This is your proverb. Blessing and
You're not supposed to talk. They never introduce you.
And last but not the least is the ancestor dot
Father Lord.
aim dot we TV of we TV.
Father Lord.
Fred, aka Luckish. Fred, aka MC Shaggy.
You were campus.
Let me wait till happen now.
I know.
Let me wait till happen.
No, you don't say when government. You don't say when government don't change hand like that.
Oh,
things go
wait. Because people they hire unknowingly. Because somebody missing last week. He said he don't know what he drink. We make and say make people go down inside lagoon. So right now we don't know. Let me say whether you say you don't know what you drink.
No. You don't ever see me whole walking stick before. I be all state. Say I dey rude people. No.
But seriously, that bros be say being high. Because what you take, he say no, sha.
But you know say the area where you dey stay. OPC dey plenty there.
My brother live waiting. I don't call anybody.
Now you high
I
for
call
this
anybody
place.
name.
No, bro.
I say one bro.
Say
Bro say hi.
They run away from the parole.
No, me wrong.
Only Shaggy, aka Lucky Shaggy.
I no run. I just dey mind my business. I'm not running. For all the Igbo brothers there, I know say people like the basketman and the rest don't they sell life jacket. 50% discount. So because of my wife, myself, I don't go China, come back. I mean, a 90% discount. Life.
Free for the giver.
You don't say they don't extend Island Market reach that lagoon there.
As the happen, I enter water straight.
And the market was extending a life jacket and they say straight. Igbo
That's how like Igbo people. They quick understand business.
Everything on business.
They quick think now.
They quick think.
You can't come and take it away from me.
Yesterday, my wife they gist me about Igbo man where they do business. This Philip company. Igbo man can go China, say me they do Philip product, but we they remove one eye. So they can be flip. So Philip, one person where he buy the flip product spoil, he can't go report them. So the real Philip owners, they can't trace the man swear to court. Igbo man will not go school. They can't go court. Then the man say me they check the spelling. Say is it Philip or Philip? But that's it. Today the man will be case.
So before I been to say. Now based on hurry production, I didn't do mistake for those spellings.
Now
Igbo people say that
they get their own logo for everything. If you go market where they couple generator, then get the name where they put for every generator. So if you go see tiger, if you say that your tiger na werewolf. Okay, now I've been telling myself, I will tell you the reason why I decide to introduce people the way I do today, and I decide to introduce people according to their age. Yes, starting from the young,
everybody wants to justify. Come on there, you just want to justify your highness.
Oldest.
And the oldest.
And the ancestors.
Oldest and oldest.
Let me know when you do that thing. But as a comedian, we know how we take the cover up.
That one don't seem matter. Say we know we age. Okay, make it not be like say we don't lose or we should bet the mama fly.
Your first topic, did you pick it yourself? Because I swear to God, anybody who come against this topic, you pick yourself. Go ahead.
You are being tribalistic.
So you pick your topic yourself?
Yes, I pick it myself. And I swear to God, my father, anybody who...
We die in the lagoon.
No, grandma did this country.
Look. I'm telling you to listen to me now. Otherwise, I'll turn my back on you.
You are not our spokesman, please.
Yes, I'm not. Not.
Or you need light to see him.
Now, no say I know the 2 see what you take a hand right. So, more dog continue like this. 2-year-old cats Holy Ghost fire for church.
Yeah.
2-year-old. Pikin.
Cash.
Holy Ghost. I don't know what Holy Ghost.
Like in cash Holy Ghost.
In cash Holy Ghost. I don't know how to do. I must see the story. I don't know how they tell
Yeah,
this.
yeah,
The video.
Wait, you sure say that pikin as pumpkin?
Shaggy.
You look the neck.
No, it be like,
Why is it not
like
Shaggy?
small albino,
Now you
it
know
be
what
like
we-
bash. Or those small albino, it be like bash.
Because I see say get bad hair.
Bad hair small.
You see the
No.
neck fold for back.
Like full small.
No, that became as well became 2 years. No, you know, see the way to the worship. If you
But that's
try
a
to-
lesson. Small girl like that, they worship God. Our Nigerian girls. When I come up from club on Saturday, on Sunday, when I come open enter church, begin enter spirit, they sing worldly song
As
inside
worldly
church.
song. Like Doro Bushie.
Oh my Lord, Doro.
But their mind na worship song.
The acapella only Yoruba girls. Hebungalaba isi azum nazo
Small pikin.
Small pikin. You people should take the Holy Ghost seriously.
Seriously,
Yes.
And those American boys, they are not that thing of America. All those American boys, they, as that pikin they grow up now, man, come on, that's a child of here.
God.
Child of what?
And yeah, and they also,
Yeah.
yes, and they also they tell all Nigerian children say may they follow this pikin footstep because this next topic now where I hand pick
In hand
for myself.
step, the pikin hand step.
Oh, yeah, follow the pikin hand step. Yes, the way the pikin do because this
Topic
next
footstep.
topic when I hand pick by myself.
by
Yes,
yourself.
that I picked by myself.
And anybody that come
That want to tell me that I did
this
not
topic.
pick this thing by myself.
perish in the lagoon.
Yes.
But
This
swim
one,
with the lagoon.
the papa beat the pikin better beat say the pikin lie for devil head because everybody don dey do the lie for pikin head the devil head. Most see the story. I don't have much to say about it. Let us see the story and we'll talk about it.
Na devil handwork o. Na so the papa wey dey torture him 2 pikin talk. Mr. Shehu Odebumi, the papa of Damilare and Michael, dey torture him pikin dem like winch. This man say anytime when he come back from work, he dey always get complaint about him 2 pikin from their stepmother. The one wey happen of recent, he and the stepmother go out before dem go return. Damilare don drink him medicine. Na him beat shege comot for the boy body. The wife talk say, my husband dey discipline Damilare anytime I report am because Damilare dey thief meat for pot well. But the pikin of this stepmother, the daughter herself, talk say, my mommy is lying. She dey beat Damilare with koboko and plank all the time. She dey beat Damilare well. This information reach police hand when the people for the area see Damilare, 8 years old, for ground under hot sun with blood wey dey comot for him back. Na the stepmother beat am because him take vitamin C.
He take vitamin
Say
C.
because
Because the boy
pikin
take vitamin C drink.
Just go take drug.
Vitamin C wey be say na 18 children need.
We go make her strong.
Some stepmothers say,
Why you no go? Are you a doctor for yourself? You go to take vitamin C. Why you no consult the stepmother will be immediate doctor to know whether you are supposed to take vitamin C at that point? And how did you know that is vitamin C? The woman they try to protect you may not go take drugs. We go kill you because that's all drug taking they start. You cannot just on your own. Go take vitamin C.
Apart from that picky, I prefer to take that drug make kill me than the beats.
Than that beat. Now apart from saying that vitamin C, they always beat these children. This one now people report the parents give police. Say the way they kill the beat each other because the man ain't born the picking them, but the woman we put for us, no be she born the picking.
Even the picking. What is they wrong for parents to beat their children?
No, this kind beating because not be you born now. You can't beat and get okay. I could say because they just report picking give you.
Wait, so maybe like say they hear this wrongly because if you want to follow the biblical way, the Bible say train your children with iron and rod.
Hey,
you don't ever see any
yeah, for
at least Nigeria
one place
we
for
know
which of the place Shakara?
They just write say spare the rod.
Spare not the rod to spoil the child, right?
So spare not the rod. Use the iron beat and they talk.
No, not the iron.
Like those days cane, no, they only iron. Or this the one we don't call get cane now. Please use cane. And for this matter, no beside they side those people they beat the children. But I don't see family where be saying that them born the children where they beat, you know.
Yes.
And so why they don't report them? Say because no be born them, then they beat them. But if another person they beat another person,
no, seriously, they come out with
you know why me? I grew up. See, let me tell you. I don't grow up with my parents. I grew up with my uncle and a wife. You know, say then I been say she dey maltreat me.
May they go make my bed.
You understand? That's true. That my uncle, if he don't quarrel with a wife like this, once he come back, you know, say how to come there and say. Afa na I don't do now more run this night. You go still get pride as a man. So you go say shake leg. When you don't want sleep after 9 o'clock news, you go like this. May they go make my bed. Oh. So in daughter go come stand up. One go to arrange bed. You go look at. Now you sabi arrange bed while you sleep put up. If for na mama woman why I marry, no fit arrange my bed. When I leave am, I will sleep put like that. So at that point, woman your verse. Come on, no, make pick arrange bed. I bet come on, man, go as she dey enter room, make you follow her. You go say good luck.
So you way of arranging bed now.
But truly, in all the joke with the joke, you know, good make children. And we no support say make children they go take medicine on their own. If something they do, you look for the best way they close to you. Tell your stepmother, tell your father, and also step parents where they overbeat pikin because not be their own. Pikin a gift from God. Children them a gift from God. So una not supposed to beat them or to do anyhow with them.
And Bible don't talk and say kingdom of God and children go first enter. So may nobody say your pikin don't first enter that day.
Like the children in your area and
you know, people talk about
the kingdom of God will come first.
Say for you to
seriously
until you be like this little
children,
you cannot enter heaven.
Which little children?
If you know the story.
This one where they start when they raise and they praise God. No, the one where they say the Shakara area, Ijesha. Hey, those ones.
But you know where Shakara they go before. You won't be saying those pikin first and Papa.
I don't move from Ijesha. Why you not?
Okay,
Shakara, I want to tell them I be a pick waiting you try talk where say children go first their Papa enter heaven. You go your block road.
You go block road now. So you call it
Shakara, 11 seriously. More comes to truth because the way you take the advice just now, you can't debate. Because if you watch well, especially stepmothers, the thing they come out with most stepmothers. Because before the stepmother, your own daughter go come out, say, no, the mama they lie. You understand? Now we see the woman, they maltreat the boy.
You never can tell you went there.
They maltreat her.
You went there.
Well, you know, we get to say, make they help the children to grow. Not say, no beat them too much. And children,
take off your.
At least all of them are Papa beat us.
Tell us a topic that you can pick.
More leave the children because me by myself, I have picked this topic with myself because you know why I have picked this topic with myself. Anybody that come against this topic, Lagu don't fool already. Now, you know, say when I did just, you get one girl who they call Mama Jesus. He asked me why. She will not know when she get belly. She just go hospital born, climb Okada, come back house. So we call the same as Miracle, we call the call Mama Jesus. First way born, climb Okada, come back. So when I can't see this topic, now say relate to that thing. Can you imagine? You know, I'm a virgin. I'm not a virgin.
I am a virgin.
Sorry, I'm a virgin, but I'm pregnant. Can you imagine? I'm a virgin. but I'm pregnant.
Veg will get belly.
Na Marina.
Yeah, but, so that may I relate out to that.
Mary,
Mona, wait
Mary,
first. Mona, before we begin one that too much,
just-
Moku will listen to the story, how it take happen. Then we will come back.
I be virgin o, but I get belle. Doctor, my husband to be no believe say na him give me belle. Him talk say I don dey sleep up and down. And true, me be virgin o. I no know wetin to take proof give her say I still be virgin. Doctor, you fit be virgin and still get belle. E happen when you and your husband to be dey do non-penetrative sex. The baba rub him jolojolo around your kpekus, e call drop things. As e force himself, as e dey shock am, as e dey sweet am, e release, e call push am, you no know when e push some sperm enter the kpekus. Shey you no know say as soon as erection happen, sperm water dey move from the jolojolo. Ejaculation na just the release of the plenty sperm. Remember say you only need one sperm wey dey bold wey mudiaga for ground to dey active enough to find a way to the one egg wey the woman carry, another one dey bring belle. So as virgin you don get belle since una do some practice.
Yeah.
Wait.
So that means.
So I want to understand something. And two no do anything, she just get belle.
No, he say they play,
you know,
but you know they penetrate.
Which kind play? Mama, papa play.
Non-penetrative, non-penetrative.
Let me just listen to the main explanation.
Maybe
Because I
they-
picked this topic myself.
Let's hear from Yossi's mouth.
I don't want to perish.
We are top. We don't want to go to
He
Lagos.
was knocking at the door, you know, with his jollo.
Knock.
But you know, we say he enter. He don't did the domot. He knock. He knock. He knock. He dey clean leg. So in the process, and you know say that other girl own. You know say don't be like say the sealer like say the
I don't we get small.
small for side. Understand?
Like say
Maybe
this
start
pie,
from
like
the
say this
leg.
pie.
Okay, just
come.
that's way they
Clean leg.
One just bridge up blow.
Inside the bloody sand, one sand, nine move.
And they don't talk am for doctor people language say you see one of those sand is as powerful as 20 soldiers. If one enter there, wow.
He must catch one boko
You know
haram.
say and imagine how that Siemens dey the small way they enter. You know say e just be like something really very tiny. As immediately as he enter where reach there go come get power. E just be like small pikin wey dey pursue for outside. As he run enter the house go come
block area.
say I'm gonna come touch me.
But so virgin fit get belle, na be the truth be this.
Yes, now if you clean leg for passage.
That one don't blow. That one don't come up for virgin.
That's half virgin.
Yeah, somehow virgin.
Somehow virgin.
Yes, somehow
Is a virgin.
Yes, so we won't just go with the mountain.
For the virgin
We won't
break.
clean our leg. We'll come back. We'll not go anywhere. We're coming.